wagwan, big up yourself, you don't know, say, I'm Ringo Vision and we're here, we're in the kitchen. Alright, so basically it's my birthday in 2 days time, but what we're doing right now, we're just having a look of vibes today, people, yeah? And we're cooking some food, and we're gonna have like a local dinner, a dinner party, a local small one, everybody, yeah? So big up yourself if you just come in on the journey, you understand? A good vibe. That's it. Come and look at what we've got in the menu so far today. So we've got some prawns that we're doing right now. So as you can see, look, so this is the first process what we're doing today, yeah? So the first stage is as the prawns have been fried up, what we're gonna do now. Alright, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna put the all-purpose seasoning mix, which is my all-purpose mix. So what we're doing right now, yeah, is like all in one. You understand, people? Yeah, put everything all together, and this is like this one set of prawns, good vibes. You understand, people? Yeah. We're just doing it fresh as we go along. So this is the first batch of prawns. Chili pepper, that's it. So we still want the crunch with the vegetables, so this is almost a combination. A good vibe. Look at yourself, people, yeah, we're there. Finish off with some okra. Like okra now is gonna have a mad crunch to it, because as you can see that I just put the okra in now, and then this is actually gonna be like a crunchy okra finish, people, yeah? Alright, have good vibes with the prawns then. That is it. So I think I'm gonna give that about a minute. Okay, have a look in here. So look, the first set of wings is almost completed. So look, so 15 minutes on each side on 170 degrees, you understand? And then we're gonna turn them over in a second and then do the other side, same 170 degrees, so that we see the prawn. A good vibe, wow. You can start to see like the stickiness from the okra coming through. I'm going to give that, turn it down on a very, very low heat now. What we're going to do, yeah, is going to add a little bit of the water from the corn on there. There's still a bit of flavour. That is it. Share the live if you're in the live, everybody. Share the live. If you're in the live right now, good vibes. If you like what you see, come on. Look at that. So that's almost completed now. So where we've almost completed, you can start cooking the wings. Look, so this is what happens now. You can see that nothing's happened to the other side. We have to turn them over so that they get coated up. You understand? Get that golden coating, perfect golden coating, 170 degrees, a little bit of spray oil on there. You understand? Sunflower or olive oil, whichever oil you want to use, whichever is your preference. Olive oil is a really good oil to use when you're doing these wings. Good vibes. And so what I've done is I've added like leg in one tray and the side wings in one tray. Yeah, pause it. We're just gonna curry this one up people, yeah, just like this. Some boiling water from the kettle. Man, so we're there right now. Good vibes. What is it?
Yo, give me the camera. Get it here. Listen, look at his outfit. Look at what's your outfit, the man? Yo, the man make us in the back. Yeah, that is it.
You know what I'm saying? Come on, good vibes. That is it, people.
So basically what we've got here, yeah, some pumpkin rice.
Let's have a look then.
With some wings and some prawns and some corn. A good vibe, so yeah man, Fend, if you want to eat,
Yeah, man.
get a fork, you can pay in. Choose! That is it. Come.
That is it. The fuck, man. Look.
Sit on the table.
Yeah.
Do you want me to keep?
Keep going.
Yeah, no.
Yes, everybody. So what I want to do now, I want to big up everyone for a wonderful year. Everyone that's watching, everyone that stayed tuned. You understand?
Jeez.
I'm Ringo Vision. Yeah.
Hey.
We're locked in on 24-hour kitchen. We're at the table right now. You understand?
At the dining table.
And we're gonna give thanks for another year.
Yeah.
You understand? Birthday settings.
Yeah.
You understand? But also, we're gonna big up the whole movement, giving back to the local community, giving back to the homeless. You understand, people? Yeah. The marathon that we're in right now, it's a togetherness. It's a oneness, people, yeah? And the food is here to pull us together. You understand? While we eat, while we reason, while we talk about the good times and the good things that we can put together for our futures, for not just ourselves, but for life and our kids around us. You understand? And the environments that we live in. Different environments that we go to, we want that environment to also be good, to welcome us as well, as the environment that we're building around us and the environment that we live in also, people, are good vibes.
Are good vibes.
Hey.
Yes, so basically, yeah, we're here as well together to celebrate Ringo's Earth Strong, innit? Like, he's been out there giving to people, even to his friends, to his family, not just to the homeless. That's how he's always been. You know what I mean? He's a clean-hearted brother, so it's good that we can all gather here, close friends, you know what I mean, family, and celebrate for Ringo's day today. So, yeah, man, big up yourself, Ringo, man, and let the journey continue, man, bro.
Alright, there, Wix.
Yes, man. Hey, so as we said, birthday blessings, Earth Strong. Come on, man, that's my guy. You know, we're here, we're celebrating. Just nothing but good energy, good vibes. You know what I'm saying? That's how we do it, that's how we keep it. You feel me?
What do you need?
Give a speech.
Big up Ringo on his birthday. Enough love all day, every day. Blessings.
Yeah.
Yes.
Amen. Anyone else? Go on.
Big
Give
up
a
Ringo
speech.
Vision from birth till now.
Hey,
Yeah, one love. Bless up in Vision. Happy birthday.
Big up Ringo, innit? If Ringo, can't lie to you, love, innit? Because without you, I'll be in jail right now. You know why, innit?
Yeah.
So big up Ringo, innit? Save me still.
Yeah.
And friends as well.
Come on, man.
You
Big up
saved me.
yourself,
Works as well. You saved me. If all the random here, you saved me.
Let's get the spread. Do you like it?
I like the prawns are nice. I'm gonna wait till everyone eats and I want seconds.
Give it a review.
10, 10. 10 out of 10. Look, man is greedy. Look, no one else is consuming. I'm here eating, man. I'm sorry, you know.
Fit for a king.
Is this juice today?
Good time.
No, I'm gonna have to pour your drink in.